TikTok isn't just about watching, it's about sharing creativity and laughter with your friends. If you ever wondered how to grab the link to a TikTok video and send it to someone, this guide will walk you through every step of the way. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to copy and share TikTok videos link. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Search for the video you want to share. Once you are on the video, tap the share icon, which is indicated by an arrow located on the right side of the screen. In the menu, tap copy link and wait until TikTok confirms that the link has been copied to your clipboard. Open any app where you want to share the link, for example, WhatsApp, Instagram, or even email. Now open any chat. In the text field, tap and hold. Select paste to drop the TikTok link and send the message. So this is how to copy and share TikTok video links. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.